Flowers are one of the most beautiful gifts of nature. They come in many colors, shapes, and sizes, and each one has a special meaning. In this lesson, learn about 5 common flowers: rose, tulip, sunflower, daisy, and lily. Understanding these names and their characteristics will help in describing things around you in English with more richness and detail. The rose is often called the queen of all flowers. It stands for love, beauty, and affection. Roses come in many colors. A red rose means deep love and passion. A white rose means purity and peace. A pink rose shows grace and admiration. People give roses on special occasions to express feelings of care and appreciation. A tulip is a simple, elegant flower that grows in the spring. It comes in many bright colors like red, yellow, pink, and purple. The tulip often represents happiness, confidence, and new beginnings. Because tulips bloom after winter, they are seen as a sign of hope and freshness. These flowers are popular in gardens for their colorful beauty. The sunflower is large, bright, and cheerful. It always turns toward the sun as it grows. That is why it is called the sunflower. It stands for positivity, warmth, and loyalty. Its yellow petals remind people of sunshine and happiness. Many people grow sunflowers to add brightness to their surroundings and to feel inspired by their strong, upright stems. The daisy is a small, simple flower with white petals and a yellow center. It is a symbol of innocence, purity, and cheerfulness. Daisies bloom widely in fields and gardens, bringing a soft and fresh look. Many people connect the daisy with new starts and pure thoughts. Its plain and bright form makes it one of the most recognized flowers in the world. The lily is a beautiful and elegant flower with a gentle fragrance. It is often seen in white, pink, orange, or yellow shades. Lilies represent purity, goodness, and devotion. Because of their graceful look, lilies are used in many ceremonies and celebrations. Their calm and pure appearance gives a feeling of peace and harmony. Now, let's compare the flowers you have learned about. The rose expresses love and beauty. The tulip shows happiness and confidence. The sunflower symbolizes loyalty and warmth. The daisy stands for innocence and joy. The lily represents purity and peace. Each flower has a special meaning and mood that people connect with emotions and occasions. Flowers make the world more colorful and meaningful. Every flower carries a story and emotion. The rose speaks of love, the tulip reminds us of joy, the sunflower spreads positivity, the daisy shows innocence, and the lily inspires peace. Learning about flowers helps to build better vocabulary and a deeper understanding of how language expresses beauty in nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.